Okay, so today we're gonna show you how to put a wallpaper on your Civic Si or on any 10th gen Civic. That'll be same process. So what you want to do is go to Google, just type in anything that you would want to put as a wallpaper. But I picked this one. So the only things that you're gonna need is a USB, your laptop, and your car. So what you want to do is right click, or if you have a Mac, do double click. Right click and then go to save image as, and then you put it and you pick the place where your USB is. So mine's called this, and you click on that and then click save. There we go. Then once that saves, it'll show that it's downloaded and everything. Then once that's done, you can go. Okay, before you unplug it, make sure you eject it. There we go, ready to take out. You unplug it, and then now we go to the car. Okay, once you have your car on, you go ahead and go to the main menu, which is like this, how it should look. And then you just go to settings. And when you go to settings, you go to system. Then you go all the way to the right until it stops. Then you go all the way down to detail information. Click on that. Then once you do that, you go down to display, and you go to wallpaper, and you go to gallery. But before you click on gallery, make sure you go down to your USB and open it up and plug in your USB that you download the wallpapers to. There we go. That's it. Then once you go there, you go to gallery. I mean, you can also go to other places. Like if you want a live wallpaper, you can go there. You can go to regular wallpapers that they pre-installed. But if you want to go like have your own, you go to gallery. There you go. See, and then it'll show you where all the. I have another one saved, but yeah, so here's this one and this one. So you go ahead and click this. There you go. Click on it and then go ahead and expand it all the way. Maximum. There you go. Then click OK. There you go. And then if you go to home again, it'll look like that. Yeah. And if you want to change your wallpaper, it's the same thing. Just do the same process. Go all the way, go to system, then go all the way to others, and then go down to, let's see, detail information. Yeah, and there's even the live wallpapers I don't really recommend, mainly because like I tried it and why like, it doesn't show it live unless you're parked or if you're not moving. So once you start driving, I'll go to like the standard wallpaper and then it'll just leave and there's no point of it. So that's why I didn't really keep it. But if you go to just regular gallery and pick your wallpaper, you should be good. Okay, I also want to show, since I'm here making this video, I want to show you how to change the instrument panel kind of thing. Like you can remove the tachometer and rearrange the boost and the throttle and brake response and stuff like that. So what we're gonna do is turn on the car. See, mine doesn't show the tachometer. I was able to remove that. And you can also change the order of these little like whatchamacallits, you know, whatever. You can put turbo first or put this last or something, you know, whatever you want. But so you go ahead and go to settings, then go to system, and then you just stay right here in this place, in this area, and go to tachometer on or off. You turn it on, it will show a tachometer. But if you turn it off, it'll just show the rev limiter. There you go. Then you can go ahead and also change the configuration of the instrument panel, which is like just edit the order. Like if you want to put this one last, since you have the tachometer removed, then that's always there. So you might as well, you can put this last, you know, all the way to the. Oops, wrong one. There you go. Yeah. Then if you want, like, let's see, the stopwatch in the middle or something, or if you want the gas more closer to the turbo, there you go. You can also add stuff. You can also add like a average speed or range and fuel, turbo meter, and audio. Some of these already come with them, so you can add emails. So if you want to add this one, you just press the little plus sign. Press OK. And it's right here at the end. Sorry, I keep putting the camera away. I need to get a tripod or something. But yeah, see, now it's there. You just press OK, save it. And then you can go ahead over here, press your little I on the thingy, on the steering wheel. All the way to the back. See, now you have your average speed and elapsed time and stuff like that. But yeah.